Hi, and welcome to this look at the Sharp P&LM series interactive displays. In this video, we're going to go over the board's built-in annotation tools, the Whiteboard app, and the overlay board. These tools make it easy to mark up content and collaborate in real time. So let's jump in. The overlay board is your quick annotation tool, great for marking up presentations, brainstorming ideas on top of websites, or quickly calling attention to details during a casted session. Bring up the overlay board from the sidebar. You'll see a subtle toolbar appear near the bottom of the screen, indicating that this is now an overlay sheet. You can customize the pin's opacity, color, and line width. I prefer the pen, but you can draw freehand as well and take advantage of up to 20 touch points possible. Need to erase your work? Use the eraser tool like you would the pen. You can switch to line erase for quickly removing whole objects. Or you can completely clear the sheet by swiping to Clear on the eraser tool. On this side of the toolbar, you can add multiple sheets, up to 20, and switch between them to work across multiple screens. Then, you can save your annotated image to the board as a PNG or PDF. Back to the center, you can tap here to minimize the overlay board, so you can pause your work without having to save it out as an image file. Tap the QR code button to quickly share each sheet open on the overlay board via QR scan. To exit the overlay board, tap the X button and confirm that your unsaved data will be erased. For more advanced collaboration, launch the Whiteboard app. Here you get the full canvas for note-taking, brainstorming, and group work. When you draw or write on the board, the P&LM's pen-on-paper feel makes the experience fast and natural. The zero-bonded glass and anti-glare coating also make writing more comfortable and keep the screen easy to read. Similar to the overlay board, along the toolbar you'll find options to change pen styles. But you can also insert shapes, tables, or rulers. And even import images saved internally or pulled from the internet. You can also change the background of your whiteboard to fit the activity. Just select your preferred background from the toolbar and it applies instantly across the sheet. Switch from a plain white canvas to your preferred grid layout, color, lined paper, and more. You can also apply custom backgrounds from images saved to the board. The whiteboard has a multi-finger toggle, so when it's on, you can pinch with 2 fingers to zoom in and out, or drag with 3 fingers to pan around the sheet. You can undo and redo actions as needed, and use the selection tool to move or resize objects on the page. When an object is selected, you can further customize its color, duplicate it, or search the internet for something similar. Files can be saved as whiteboard images, PDFs, PNGs, or to a shared drive. Those files can be saved to a connected USB or printed directly. You can even share notes quickly by generating a QR code that participants can scan with their devices. Whether you're leading a class, a team huddle, or just capturing ideas on the fly, the Whiteboard app gives you plenty of space and flexibility to work. Alright, that was a quick look at the Whiteboard app and overlay board on the Sharp P&LM series interactive display. For more information on how to set up the board, navigate it, or operate the built-in applications, please check out our other videos. I hope to see you there, and thank you for watching.